In this video, I will summarize the EL2 playlist for shaft groups and high-rise, covering key features for optimizing elevator design and performance in DigiPara Liftdesigner. Creating shaft groups can be done by copying an existing shaft or using the Group Shaft wizard, which allows for independent customization. The Group and Shaft configurator provides easy duplication, floor level management, and more adjustments. Wall openings can be managed through the Additional Objects docking window. You can also add separator beams for structural stability. Performance optimization is crucial when working with the large projects. The sloppy mode speeds up workflow by displaying immediate updates only in selected frames while reducing the load on others. The Performance Profiler, available as an additional tool, helps developers analyze and improve runtime efficiency. For large-scale projects, such as double-deck elevators, a structured approach simplifies project setup. Starting with a minimal floor count, replacing components, adjusting parameters, and using sloppy mode ensures smooth execution before scaling up. Hall buttons, through holes, and separator beams can be modified for precise customization. Face-to-face shaft groups introduce additional complexity, particularly in alignment and machine room configuration. DigiPara Liftdesigner allows easy repositioning, automatic merging of machine rooms, and flexible floor-level adjustments to match project requirements. Configuring view frames and using rule-based detail sections can greatly improve the efficiency of shaft group sheet templates. Separate view frames keep layouts organized, while dynamic detail sections automatically adjust to project changes. Customizable annotations ensure key information is always accurately displayed. To dive deeper into each topic, check out the individual videos in the EL2 playlist.